The faster the years
Amy
go.
with the confetti.
It's likely that time is passing at the same rate it
God,
always
stink
has. Barring relativistic effects, of course.
I liked you better when you were talking to yourself.
Oh god, that's terrible.
Everything's online. Functionality looks good.
Oh my god, that's
One last
terrible.
diagnostics check couldn't hurt.
3, 2, 1. Attack commences.
The barrier appears.
Capture objective A.
I made the noise
Return
one.
to me.
Pesky
God, I
man.
hope May dies.
And they got their Ryan still.
Barrier is nearly spent. Barrier has been
Oh, you guys
overwhelmed.
are down DPS.
But yeah, we're pushing them back still. Looks like.
Ryan, no shield.
May right here. Are you trying to kill me? Thank you, you're the best.
Devil spawn.
Oh, smack Mercy.
Mercy's one.
He was.
Absolute left side. Breaking Ryan shield.
Trying to get the healers back there.
Apps on the high ground. They used him once.
Ryan
Healers
anti.
are low. It's down.
Nice. He's real low.
Wait, what?
Back real low.
Turn one.
Huge.
Mercy resing.
Oh, soldier.
That's BAP. Or are you saying me?
I'm saying you're crazy.
Objective A.
I was like, no, that's a BAP.
I just kept saying kill, kill, kill. Here I am fighting that whole fight with stink bug mouth. Good lord.
Payload moves. Now to
Couldn't take a drink.
Oh, fuck, dude.
So I couldn't hit my shots.
What did stink bug mouth?
I just did a big boozled.
Oh, you don't know what stink bug mouth is?
Never.
That's embarrassing.
Every time he gets so many likes or whatever on TikTok, he's gotta eat one of these fucking jelly beans.
Oh, TikTok.
You're screaming
Yeah,
TikTok?
you guys are
That's
top
where it's
tier.
all at now.
Drink it more.
Good.
Oh, fucking way. Allowed to swear on stream.
Yeah, I think.
I don't give a shit.
Philip, stay on the charge.
What's going on?
He's being